Okay guys, finally I've reached here, Royal Palm Golf and Country Club, and this is where I have my Ielts Masterclass, and along with the Masterclass we do have mock tests on Saturday. Okay, it's a beautiful morning actually. I would say winter has already started, winter has set in, okay, and the morning is awesome. And I like the morning routines actually. I used to work late at night as well, but now I'm trying to focus morning routines only because in the morning things are really fresh and we always enjoy the mornings. And I'm going to show you two gorgeous ladies, and these two gorgeous ladies are standing there. Hello. Okay, so here we are, three of us, and today we are going to conduct Ielts mock test. So this is actually team Asad Yaqub, and finally we have our important team member Yasin Hafiz. Okay, so there they are, and here we are. So guys, this is actually the main lobby, Royal Palm Golf and Country Club. The time you enter, the ambience, the music, and we've got two beautiful birds as well. I'll show you those birds too. Come on, let's see the birds first. I don't know. Hello birdie. How are you? How are you? Hello. Alright, this birdie doesn't talk. Now I show you another birdie. This is Nigel, like you know the movie. I think the name of the movie? Rio. This is more like Nigel. Hello Nigel. Hello Nigel. Nigel is angry. Sometimes in order to relax when I'm tired after my masterclass, I come to this place and I see something that is quite relaxing. I'm going to show you that. Come on. The beautiful and colorful fish, and you know, just keep looking at the fish and you will feel relaxed, right? All the day's trouble and toil and effort, and you'll be quite relaxed if you keep looking at the fish. They are so beautiful. Otherwise, if I want to relax further, then I come up here and I sit down like this. Oh gosh. So come closer. I sit down here, and then students, they actually do some test and I relax here because teachers freshness, teachers relaxation is very, very important. So I come and sit over here. This is a very nice place, and I recommend a corner to my students. We do have a corner here, and I usually recommend that corner to my students. I take you there. What you have to do, you can pick any magazine. Like we have this magazine. It's Royal Palm's special magazine, right? So they pick up a magazine from here, or otherwise if they feel like reading a book, then they can come over here. There are some good books, right? Like they get permission from there and they get a book, and after getting a book, for example, if I want to read this, I'll pick it up and then I'm going to sit over here. This is how students can spend their free time. You know, we've got all learning environment all around, and it is so peaceful. You know, the peace of mind is linked with the peacefulness of nature. Wow, new quotation. The peace of mind is linked with the peacefulness of nature, and that's what you're going to find here at Royal Palm Golf and Country Club. Now I take you to my class. At times we make our students sit here, you know, when we are doing some technical things for listening. Sometimes we have to set the audio system and all that. They sit there and wait for us. Sometimes they come sit here, right? And by the way, my class is upstairs, so I'm going to take you there, right? You can see the beautiful countryside here, and along with that they've got spacious car parking. In Lahore You can find many good hotels, restaurants, and they've got issues with their car parking. So over here we can get wonderful car parking as well. Right now let's go on. A minute ago we were there, okay? We were downstairs and now we can just see it. Yeah, from downstairs to upstairs. Let's go to my Ielts Masterclass. Yeah, come on. Assalamu alaikum. Hello. Ready for the mock test? Yes, sir. Okay. All right. So, yeah, can you come this side? Yeah. Not only this, actually, the view from the window is spectacular. Come on, I take you. Great. Yeah. That's a spectacular view, and some of my students, they just look outside all the time. Yeah. Like these students, they're very innocent people. Yeah? Yes. Whenever they feel bored, they start looking outside. And there's a beautiful terrace as well. I'll show you that. Come. So this is our private area. What do? We sit down here and we have our meals. Like we have some cookies, sandwiches and all that. So when we have a break, like we've got 20 minutes break, so our tea, cookies, sandwiches and all that, we sit down here, relax, and then after that we go on. Sometimes I have a long day. For example, I start at 10 a.m. and I finish at 5 p.m. So we do have a long day. And come on, I'll show you this beautiful place. So we have this beautiful terrace, and especially in winter when the weather is really good and we need the sun and we want a sunny day, we have a table and chair over here at this place, and then we sit around and we have our meal here. And the good thing is we not only enjoy meal ourselves, we include birdies as well. See, there are so many trees and many birds are there, right? So whenever we eat any sandwich or any cookies or anything like that, we always give, the birds share as well. So we add birds to our, sustenance as well. We add birds to our lunch as well. They become our guests and we enjoy. Now I'm getting late. Let's go and we start the mock test. अलग-अलग क्या वैल्यू थी और बेसिकली कंपैरेटिव ग्राफ है. Well guys, finally one mock test is over and I need to energize myself for another mock test. So between these two mock tests, I've got the recording session as well. You can see the camera is all set here. We use this camera. Yeah, I love the cameras and they are very nice ones, right? So we've got this camera for main recording and this is GoPro Hero 10. We use that as well, okay? Now, energy is very, very important. So in order to energize myself, what we do, you can see here, we've got lovely sandwiches, right? Very nice. And these are my favorite cookies actually. I like them very much. Rather, I love these cookies. So it's going to be a tea time. It's going to be tea time for us. And my team member and I, we are going to have some tea. Now we are going to see another room for our masterclass. Okay, come along. Alright, so this is the place and we're just going to see this, and it's going to be the next venue for our next week's Ielts Masterclass. Let's go inside. it's a beautiful view. Okay, and I always like the venues where there are beautiful terraces. So Royal Palm Golf and Country Club is rich in these type of terraces. And you know, it's just not the terrace, it's actually the spectacular view from the terrace that is really remarkable. You can take a look. And they do have a temperature controlled swimming pool as well. And you know, whenever we have the tea time and we enjoy here, so you know, the same thing like countryside, we can see that here. So you can understand from this now how conscious I am about my masterclass and how well we actually, when we select the venue, so we just decide that venue should be remarkable by all means. Okay, so the next recordings of Ielts Masterclass are going to be from this great venue. See that? Such a big room for masterclass. The increasing number of students, we actually need the bigger venues. Okay, exactly. So this is really a large hall where we will have the masterclass. Hi guys, finally I've reached the destination. It's another mock test. So 2 mock tests in sequence in a day. Let's see what happens. The students are excited, some are scared. Let me show you the students. Excited or scared? Huh? Will you wave hands? Yeah, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, thanks a lot. So you will meet these students in Canada, Australia, UK. Where else? Canada, Australia, UK. Kalashakaku. Okay. And Murike as well. Okay. All right. Well guys, it's almost 9 o'clock and that's it, 9 p.m. and I'm going back home and I'm done with all the mock tests and each and everything. Yeah, I can remove my mask now, right? So I had a busy day. Anyways, so sometimes, you know, what we see, I mean, it's easy to define other people's success, but we don't know the struggle behind that. Okay, I've been working now for around 12 hours, right? I left home at 9 a.m. and it's 9 p.m. and I'll reach home after 1 hour, like after I'll reach home at 10 p.m. right? So all the best and thank you very much for watching this vlog. Some other day I'll take you with me again and we'll have a lot of fun. And once again, I'll show you the places where I work and activities that I do. Thank you very much. All the best and a very good night. See ya soon.